Good evening, students. Today I am going to discuss about information. In last tutorial, I have discussed about information communication technology. In that tutorial, I have also given you the definition for information, which is information is organized data in meaningful form. Information is organized data in meaningful form. Okay? Okay. Well, now today we will discuss about why the information is important, why we want to retain and secure it. Retain and secure it. Today, most of the manager's task, say 80 to 90% of task, is depending on the information. For example, the manager's task is much more involved in the decision-making process, planning process, coordinating process, controlling and monitoring process. All these processes require variety of the information. The absence of the information will cause seriously in their effectiveness and efficiency. Okay? Therefore, the information is very much important to survival of the organization and survival of the managers. For example, if a financial manager needed to know the financial position of his company, such as whether its company is profit or not, he must record the financial report. The financial report contains the information. By using this information, he can easily identify whether his company is profitable or not. Right. However, this information was earlier processed manually, through manually or written form. However, today it is not possible. The requirement of the information is very huge. The data also, volume of the data also high. Therefore, it is required to find out a specific device for speed up the process. Hence, the computer was invented. Today, the computer is widespread, used in every organization. Well, now we will discuss about the computer system or computer and definition of the computer. That is in your syllabus, I think. Okay. What is the architecture of the computer? The architecture of the computer. We have architecture for a house, which indicate the location of the dining room, bathroom, bedrooms, etc., kitchen, etc. Similarly, the architecture of the computer also have four major components: input device, processing device, storage device, output device. Input device accept the data, storage device store the data, processing device use the stored data to produce the output. Output device produce the output. Okay? This is the architecture of the computer. Next we will come to the definition of the computer. What is definition of the computer? Computer is a device which accept the data, process the data and produce the output according to the stored program, or which function according to the stored program. Here one may ask the question, what is stored program? Stored program is nothing. It is simply sequence of steps or sequence of instructions written in a specific machine known language. The human beings have language to communicate with each other, like English. Similarly, the computer has the machine known language. It can easily communicate with the peripherals of the computer or parts of the computer. Well, now you know the importance of the information, architecture of the computer, the definition of the computer. It is. In next tutorial, we will discuss about the hardware, liveware, software of the computer, peripherals of the computer, and input and output devices. Thank you very much. Welcome.